Welcome back to Guitarlele Tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to read a chord diagram. First of all, let me tell you what a chord diagram is. A chord diagram is a graphical representation of a chord being played on an instrument. If you don't know what a chord is, simply put, chords are a set of notes played simultaneously. If you don't know what a note is, simply think of this as a frequency being played on an instrument. We'll go deep into these theories in another lesson. Coming back to the chord diagrams. The chord diagram changes from instrument to instrument. A guitar chord diagram will be different from a guitarlele chord diagram, and a guitarlele chord diagram will be different from ukulele chord diagram. However, ukulele and guitarlele share some commonality which can be used in our favor, and Guitarlele chord diagrams can be reused as ukulele chord diagrams, but that would be a topic for different lesson. Let's continue with a guitarlele chord diagram. Here you can see a chord diagram. You can notice there are 6 vertical lines and 6 horizontal lines. Out of the 6 horizontal lines, one line is thick and the other 5 are thin. The 6 vertical lines represent each string on guitarlele and are marked as A, D, G, C, E, A. The strings go from top to bottom on the guitarlele. If you cannot remember the tuning, here is the mnemonics to help you remember. The horizontal lines, on the other hand, represent fretwords. The thickest horizontal line in the nut is the nut, and the lines go from nut to body. So, the first thin line represents first fretword, and the second fretword, and so on. You can also see cross mark and white circles on top of the nut in the diagram. The cross means you don't play that string while playing the chord, and the white circle means you play the string open, or in other words, you don't put any finger on that string. Like the string, fingers also have numbers. If you look into the left hand picture, you can find we assign each finger a number. The index finger is finger 1, the middle finger is finger 2, ring finger is finger 3, and the pinky is finger 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can also see black circles put on the strings. These represent the finger on the string on that fret. So to play a G major chord, you put your index finger on the second fret of the third string, middle finger on the second fret of the first string, and the ring finger on the third fret of the second string. And we leave the 2 topmost strings, we don't play them, and we also leave the 4th string open. We don't have any finger on 4th string, like this. That's how we read a chord diagram, and in our next video we'll start with this chord and see how to play a G major chord, and we'll go over some practice tips. Hope you are enjoying these lessons and getting value out of them. If so, give this video a like so it can reach more people and we build a community of beginner guitarlele players. If you have any questions, drop a comment. I will reply. And also remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon if not done already to follow the next lesson when it comes.